Okay guys, I'm gonna take you through a really crazy ab circuit. So get ready, get prepared. It looks easy, but I promise you it's gonna have you feeling like you got kicked in the stomach, because that's how it makes me feel. So try this out. If you can stick consistently with this every other day for a month, I promise you'll start to see some visible gains in the abs, okay? Because I've done it before. You get that nice line down the middle, the 2 lines on the side, fire. So this is a circuit workout. So what we're gonna do is go through each movement. I'm gonna explain what they are, but then we're gonna combine them together and you're gonna do them back to back with the reps that I tell you, okay? So for the first one, we are going to have the ball in hand. We're gonna sit up, not fully upright. We're kind of like in a V position with our feet in the air if you can. If you can't, that's fine. You can keep this right here. And we're just gonna twist our torso from side to side, like so. And we're gonna do that 20 times, but like each side is 1, okay? So ready, and okay, so for this one, you're gonna have the ball in hand and we're gonna be crunching forward, using a little bit of momentum, but you're just really focusing on using your core to get you up, not so much your chin. And you're just gonna come get the ball above your shin area, okay? So, just like that. And we're gonna do that for 10, okay? Now this one is gonna be a toe touch. So leaning back or laying back down, we're gonna put our feet right above our head here. And then with this ball upright position, we're just gonna touch it to our toes and down. And again, we wanna make sure that we're leading with our core, not straining our neck. You don't wanna be like this, okay? You wanna be kind of getting up like you're a zombie. And we're gonna do that for 10, okay? Okay, now we're gonna do a reverse crunch, but this one is a little more difficult because we have to hold the ball in between our feet, which is gonna require a lot of stabilizing, but that will be activating our core in a way that is really nice. So try it out. Lay back on your back, ball in between your feet, pull up and down, up and down, just like so. And with all crunches too, guys, we wanna make sure that our pelvis is kind of tucked in. We don't wanna have like an arched back while we're doing them, okay? So, and we're gonna do that one for 10. Okay, this next one is a plank variation. So we're gonna get down into plank position with the ball right in front of us, and then alternating between each hand, you're gonna roll it out, pull it in. Roll it out, pull it in, just like so. And we're gonna do this for 20. Either side counts as 1, okay? Okay, for our last one, we are gonna do bicycles. That is just laying back on your back, having the ball right above here. I like to look in front of me because it keeps my core engaged the whole time, but if it's too hard, you can lay down. And then you're gonna be pulling each knee into the ball, just like so, okay? Counting to 20, each leg is 1. And remember that this is a circuit workout, so all those positions that I just showed you, you're gonna be doing them one after the other, and then I like to repeat it 3 times. So go through those repetitions, take a little break, do it again, okay? Feel those abs burn, I know you will. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see next. Definitely want to do some stuff to do with nutrition because I know that's highly requested, but I'd love to know exact ideas that you guys want. Like, do you want meal plans? Do you want what I eat in a day? Do you want high protein recipes? What's like the main one that you want right away? And then I'll get started on that one, okay? Thank you, bye.